Hi, my fellow investors. This is Andres, and I just completed my 42nd week of investing on my M1 Finance account. I'm gonna tell you right now, this week was a really good week. It was another green week, and my money maker just kept going up. Before I go through my stocks, I'm gonna let you guys know that I deposited $300 in the beginning of the week. And for you guys who are new to my channel, my money maker consists of 100% stocks. All right, let's go through my stocks and let's see how I did this week. All right, let's change this to week. So as usual, I'm gonna skip the no dividend and I'm gonna save this for last. So we'll go to my technology first. For Nvidia this week, I gained $65.42, which is up 5.36%. Microsoft, I gained $51.22, which is up 4.67%. Apple, I gained $29.02, which is up 3.38%. Skyworks, I gained $39.38, which is up 5.07%. So overall, my technology performed really well this week, and my highest gainer is my Nvidia. My technology this week, I gained a whopping $185.04, which is 4.68% return. I did not earn any dividends. All right, let's go to my consumer, which is 12% of my pie. For this week, Procter & Gamble, I gained $22.04, which is up 3.43%. McDonald's, I gained $6.04, which is up 0.94%. So my consumer, another win for this week. I gained $28.08, which is a 2.19% return. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my industrial, which is 8% of my pie. Industrial only have Honeywell. It looks like it performed really well this week too. I gained $44.83, which is a 5.26% return. I did not earn any dividends. So I'm really proud of my stocks this week. It looks like they really performed well. This is why I prefer less stocks than more stocks because I'm very confident in the stocks that I hold right now. Now let's go to my finance, which is 8% of my pie. Visa, I gained $21.94, which is up 2.56%. I did not earn any dividends. So like I said, I love having less stocks that perform well because before when I started this channel back in January, I had about 50 stocks. Yeah, it was more diversified, but it was keeping my portfolio from performing at its best. That's why I slowly downsized throughout these past weeks. And now I can confidently say that these stocks that I have right now is it's way better than 9 months ago. I wish I could have downsized earlier or when I started I could have just picked just a few stocks. So that's one thing that you guys might want to consider is just to invest in the stocks that you're confident in. Just because some stocks pay a lot of good dividends, that doesn't mean that you have to invest in them. All right, now let's go to my no dividend, which is 37% of my pie. In the beginning, this was only a dividend paying stocks, but I added this no dividend because the stocks that are in here has been growing a lot and I really wanted to invest in them. So I added this in my portfolio. All right, Tesla, I gained $111.15, which is up 4.43%. Wow, that is amazing. Square, I gained $108.10, which is 10.42% return. That's another amazing return. Square was just killing it this week. This is the best week that the Square has. It hit its highest price. Roku hits its all-time high again this week. This Roku, I gained $104.04, which is 11.98% return. So this is the reason why I added these three stocks in my portfolio. Just look at them for this week. Each of them gained more than $100 this week. That's really impressive. So for my no dividends this week, I gained $323.29, which is 7.33%. Wow, that is amazing. This is like the first time I've seen Square and Roku gain more than $100 since I've added them. As you guys can see, it was a really good week. My best performer is, of course, my no dividend. My return is 7.33%. And my weakest performer is my consumer, which is 2.19%. I mean, $28.08 is still a lot. So for my moneymaker this week, I gained a whopping $603.18, which is 5.31% return. I did not earn any dividends. I hope this keeps up and I hope it keeps going up. Just look at this. It looks like I'm gonna hit 12K by the end of this month, and I'm really excited how much this account will grow by the end of this year. My original goal was 10K, and I'm well over past that goal, so I'm really happy about this. So as usual, guys, just keep investing and keep growing that wealth. I'll see you guys again next week. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.